In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports and add them to dashboards in Salesforce. If you're new to Salesforce or just looking to optimize your reporting capabilities, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and streamline your data visualization process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub from where you can access all the incredible features that Salesforce has to offer. Once there, look for the App Launcher icon. It's typically located in the upper left corner of the page. Click on it to open a menu that contains all your Salesforce apps and items. Next, we're going to select Dashboards from the list. Dashboards are essential for creating a visual representation of your reports, allowing immediate insights and decisions. Click on Dashboards to open the dashboard homepage. Now it's time to choose a dashboard. If you already have ones created, you can select one that fits your needs. Otherwise, you might want to create a new dashboard to better suit the report you plan to add. Once you've chosen the appropriate dashboard, click on it to open. Once inside your dashboard, click on the Edit button. This mode will allow you to customize the dashboard view and the data it displays. After entering Edit mode, you'll see an option to Add Widget. Click on it to bring up the choices for adding different types of data visualizations to your dashboard. Here you have the option to click on either Chart or Table. A key decision depending on how you want your data presented. If you choose Chart, your report will be shown in a graphical format, while selecting Table will display it in rows and columns. After you've decided on the type of visualization, you need to choose a report to visualize. Salesforce should display a list of your available reports. Go through your options and select the one that best matches the data and metrics you wish to display on your dashboard. With your report selected, click the Select button to add it to the widget space on your dashboard. To confirm your choice, click Add. This will integrate the report as a widget into your dashboard view. Now, if you wish to make any changes to the report's presentation format, click on Edit in the widget. This allows you to swap out the current widget or make any necessary tweaks. Choose a different widget type if required, then click it to apply. Once your widget is set up to your liking, don't forget to click Update. Additionally, you can move the report and charts within the dashboard to position them exactly where you want. Simply click and drag the tabs and widgets to arrange them to your preference. Finally, remember to click on Save to store your customizations and changes. To exit editing mode, click on Done, which returns you to the main dashboard view. You can now return to the Dashboards menu or explore other aspects of Salesforce. In just a few steps, you've enhanced your reporting capabilities with a customized dashboard.